Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make gift cards on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select products. After selecting products, you are going to tap on gift cards, and from here you will see the option issue gift card or add gift card product. You are going to tap on add gift card product. And from here you will be able to add a title for your gift card. So you could simply type in the title. You can also add a description. And after doing this, you are going to simply scroll down. And from here, if you would like to add images, you could tap on add files, or you could add it from your URL. Then you can also set up the denominations, as you can see right here. So you can select the denominations, or you could add more denominations. After you're finished, you will simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. For this example, I'll tap on add files. So let me add something real quick. For example, this right here, this pic right here. I'll simply tap on open, and you can see it right here. Then I'll simply go over to the top right hand corner and tap on save. So now this gift card is available on my Shopify website. So if someone would like to purchase it, they can. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.